As a professional photographer, you know the importance of having reliable camera accessories. That's why we're excited to introduce our range of camera batteries and chargers, available now at rids.com.au. Whether you're a Nikon, Canon, Sony, or Panasonic user, we have the right battery and charger for your camera model. Our batteries are designed to provide long-lasting power, so you can capture every shot with confidence. Our chargers are lightweight and compact, making them ideal for travel and on-the-go shooting. Imagine never missing a moment because of a dead battery. Our high-quality batteries and chargers ensure that your camera is always ready to go, no matter where your photography takes you. Plus, our affordable prices mean you can stock up on backups without breaking the bank. But don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers rave about the reliability and performance of our camera batteries and chargers. So why wait? Visit rids.com.au today to explore our full range of camera batteries and chargers, and take your photography to the next level.